So guys, this is Gabe from SNP Speed Innovations, and today we're going to talk about our 2004 Runner 5VZ automatic two-wheel drive. This thing is about as stock as it gets. But this is a workhorse. We use it to haul all kinds of stuff. We use it to haul my 240SX. My S13 I've had from back in the day. We use it to haul my Moto Guzzi to Long Beach and back. We live in Arizona. We use it to haul motorcycles on trailers around town and stuff, and we even use it to haul some vehicles back and forth on my really heavy trailer, including that 84 Toyota pickup truck we just picked up. And let me tell you, that tilt back trailer, that thing's about 5,000 pounds. That's pretty heavy by itself, not to mention the weight you put on it. So we use this thing as a workhorse, but I do have a Haltech Elite 750 on this thing, and I use that for testing. There's a new firmware that's out and has changed something, or idle parameters, or something's different. Just test it right there with my 4Runner. If there's a new theory or a new tuning method that I want to try, I get to try it on my 4Runner first before we send that out. So in this video here, we're going to talk about fuel mileage. This thing is completely stock, naturally aspirated. It really doesn't need it, but I'll tell you what, it does make a difference having it. Even just driving it from light to light, driving around town and stuff, this thing does actually feel like it runs better. It feels like it accelerates easier. It does feel a little faster, and we have complete tunability of it. So what we're going to focus on this video is fuel mileage. Fuel mileage has been pretty great on this thing. We got some very amazing numbers on this thing, and we got some very normal average numbers on it too. So it's been it kind of depends. If we're towing, we'll get probably 15 miles a gallon. There's a lot of hills. If we are if I'm trying to do 90 down the highway, you know, it'll be a little different too.
What's up, guys? This is Gabe from SNP Speed Innovations, and today we're on our way to California. We are towing my Moto Guzzi back there, and we're going down there for the day, tonight and then tomorrow. So we're driving my 2004 Runner 5VZ, and we can take a look there in the glove box. You can see we've got an Elite 750 in it. This is our same Elite 750 kit that we sell. I've been doing some testing on this thing for a few months now, and it's been working pretty good. So I decided to pull the laptop out, and I have not pulled the laptop out in months. Let's plug it in, let's take a look and see what's going on. I haven't updated anything, but so far everything seems to run pretty good. Now what I wanted to do for this trip is I wanted to document my fuel mileage while towing this trailer. And my motorcycle back there has got my beautiful Moto Guzzi there. But we're towing this kind of a heavy U-Haul trailer, and it's got some weight on it for sure, and I can tell the difference in power, because what it feels like towing this trailer, what it feels like is what the engine felt like stock without this ECU in it. So it makes me appreciate how much power it's really producing. So we're just watching like our target air fuel ratio and our corrections and stuff, and it's naturally aspirated. I can roll on the throttle. We're 50% throttle now. Air fuel ratio fattens up to where it's safe. It's probably where my fuel economy is kind of going while I'm towing. So what I might do is really just lean that out, that column, just a little bit right before. Now let's see what happens if I roll in the throttle. I don't get any pinging. Air fuel ratio spot on, so we're pretty good. So Saturday afternoon, on our way to California. So a little bit of testing. I figured I'd plug in the laptop while we're on this road and see what's going on. One thing we didn't do is I forgot when I filled up, I didn't reset the mileage. So we'll stop off halfway, stretch our legs, check the straps, make sure everything is good, grab some drinks, and probably top off the fuel. and reset the mileage. I'm gonna do a mileage test on this truck, on this 4Runner, while we're on this trip. So let's see what we got.
All right, so here we are on our way to the gas station. We have 311 miles, and that fuel light is definitely on. So we'll do some math, see how many gallons it took, and we'll calculate this thing and see how many miles per gallon we actually get on this thing. So let's check that out.
So we normally get about 250 miles on a tank of fuel at the factory ECU with the Haltech computer, about 280. On this trip here, we got 311.9 miles before the light was on. So here we are at the pump putting gas in it. This is the actual mileage here. This is on the way to the gas station, and yeah, it took every bit of 15 plus gallons. It was a lot of fuel. That tank was definitely empty. So the biggest test was when we went to Mirage, and we went to Mirage in May, and didn't tow or haul anything, just me, an extra passenger, and a bunch of clothes and stuff in the back of the 4Runner, sleeping bag, stuff like that. So we went out to Mirage for the land speed race, and while we're out there, we I camped in it for like the second time in it, which is interesting, going corner to corner and stuff. But doing a fuel mileage test on the way out there, we got about 19 miles a gallon, but on the way back, we definitely got somewhere right around 20, a little over 20 miles a gallon on the way back. And this is going from Riverside to Lake Havasu City, Arizona. And that was taking the Interstate 10 all the way here. And there's a couple steep hills, but it wasn't too bad. The biggest test I want to do is like from Phoenix and back, because that's relatively flat. So anyway, don't forget to do all that stalker stuff, like, follow, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And thank you guys for following us. We really do appreciate it. And welcome back to the channel. Have a good day.